In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report in Salesforce. Exporting a report is a quick way to share data, analyze it in your favorite spreadsheet tool, or archive a snapshot for later. I'll walk you through the process from the Reports tab to a downloaded file, and along the way, I'll point out what each option means so you pick the settings that fit your needs. Start by heading to the Reports tab in your Salesforce navigation bar. This is your central place for all saved reports. Open the report you want to export so you can confirm it shows the right time frame, filters, and columns. It's a good idea to scan the data on screen first, because whatever you see here, columns, groupings, and filters, determines what ends up in your exported file. At the top right of the report page, look for the small caret icon next to the Edit button. It's a subtle down arrow that opens more actions for the report. Click that caret, and from the menu that appears, choose Export. This is the command that starts the export flow. Now you'll choose your export view and file format. The export view controls how the data is structured in the file. If you want a spreadsheet that looks similar to what you see on screen, with groupings, summaries, and formatting, use the Formatted option. If you need the raw underlying rows without the extra visual structure, choose the Detailed option. The Detailed option is typically best for further analysis, pivot tables, or when you plan to load the data into another system because it gives you clean, row-by-row data. Next, pick your file format. Excel-compatible formats are great when you want a ready-to-open spreadsheet with formatting preserved. CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is perfect for large data sets and for workflows where you'll manipulate the data, join it with other sources, or import it elsewhere. CSV files are lightweight and open in most spreadsheet and data tools. Before you export, remember that the results reflect your report's filters and any row limits. Totals and summaries may appear differently depending on the view you choose, and certain calculated fields might export as their resulting values rather than as formulas. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Export. Your browser will download the file to your default downloads location. Open it in your spreadsheet application to review, share, or analyze as needed. And that's all there is to it. You've just exported a Salesforce report quickly and confidently with the right structure and format for your workflow.